Told myself I wouldn't need the ramps. I probably need the ramps. So today I get to try and bring this forward and around. I shouldn't have fully welded that pipe yet. That was a mistake. It's probably fine, I'll fix it. The welds look like crap anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Not that I care what the welds look like, because they are welds, and as long as they hold, I don't care. The unfortunate news is that someone decided to unplug my charger. That's fine, it's not my garage. But what that means is I can't use that thing. Which means I have to now get the rest of the old exhaust off with hand tools. It's fine. It's early enough in the day. This won't take way too long. I don't know what the Californians complain about. The rust really isn't that bad. That's bad. It looks awful. Grab this here. Do we have... Perfect. We're not going to keep it like that. Could also go back a little further. I feel like this would look weird though. I'm going to kind of tack some of this in place. Pull that off because I only had it clamped on. And then weld everything the nice way instead of whatever that looks like. Yes, I could just buy a 45 from O'Reilly's, but I have no money. Not entirely true, I have some money, but I'd rather use what I have lying around, even if it looks kind of weird. I could fiber wrap this whole thing, actually. Yeah, that looks bad. Fits the rest of the truck, perfect. Also, it is raining. Doesn't like the rain. I don't care, though. You can't stop me, Mother Nature. I mean, one way or another, it will stop the rain. It might start on fire, but it's raining, so that's fine. Well, it's all sealed up now. Looks awful. I'm not going to show you. I am going to put this guy back on. It's a turbo blanket. That is on there now. I also put the broken sensor back in just to plug that hole. I will buy a new one. I'm lazy. I'm not doing that yet. All right, let's see how that sounds. That's a little better. A little bit quieter. Sounds like a car now, instead of whatever it sounded like before. Does still make a lot of smoke. Not good. It is a lot lower than I'd prefer though. I'm gonna fix that. As far as I'm concerned, it's on there. We're gonna take some things to the dump in this for a little bit of a test drive, and guess we'll see what happens. So I did finally check the oil level. We're actually over full on oil, so that's probably why it's spitting a bunch out the exhaust. Mmm, yum. You're not my car. Well, it burned like a lot of oil, but for what it's worth, it eventually stopped, so you know the drill. We don't care. It's gonna live this way forever now until it breaks again. And if you thought I was going to leave you without a sound clip, you are correct, because well, it's not exactly 5 o'clock, but I'm not going to set up the GoPro. Not for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.